In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change task color in ClickUp. Changing task colors is a great way to visually organize your work, highlight priorities, and make your workspace easier to scan at a glance. In ClickUp, the color of a task is tied to its status, so what we'll actually be doing is changing the colors of your task statuses. Once those are updated, every task using that status will automatically pick up the new color. Let's start inside ClickUp in your list view. Open the space, folder, and list where your tasks live, and make sure you're looking at them in list view. This is important because the status settings we need are easiest to access from here. Next, move your mouse over the name of the relevant space or list on the left-hand side. When you hover over it, you'll see a set of 3 vertical dots appear to the right. Click on those 3 dots to open the settings menu for that area. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Task Statuses and click on it. This opens the status management panel where you can see all the statuses currently available for this list, such as to do, in progress, or done. Now, find the first status whose color you want to change. To the right of that status name, you'll see another set of 3 dots. Click on these dots, and from the small menu that opens, choose Change Color. A color picker or palette will appear. Click on the color you'd like to assign to that status. Think about using consistent logic here. For example, green for completed, yellow for in progress, or red for blocked. Once you've selected the color, click on Apply Changes to confirm it for that status. Repeat this process for your other statuses. Click the 3 dots next to the next status. Choose Change Color, select another color that makes sense for your workflow, and click Apply Changes again. Do this as many times as you need. Open the menu for a status. Choose Change Color, pick the color you want, and apply the changes. When you've finished updating all the status colors and you're happy with how they look for the main confirmation button in the status panel. Click on Apply Changes if it appears, and finally click on Save Changes. This will save your new status color scheme and apply it to all tasks using those statuses in your list.